like it. I like it. Oh. Shut up! Snake.
The fuck language is that?
I have no clue.
I can't identify that shit at all. If anybody on Facebook or YouTube knows what kind of language that was, please let me know.
Ooh, nice. What one's this one? Come on. Ooh, I like it.
You like it, baby?
Yeah, I like it.
This camera on this phone stuff.
I
Yeah,
like
I
those.
know.
Those are my favorite.
Those are my favorite too, Nana.
Those are nice. Ooh, green. Don't you get too Oh, oh, oh. Oh, I like that.
Hit it with the zoom.
No.
Okay, let me hit it out of the zoom because that makes it look worse.
But I like when there's a lot of time.
That will come soon, honey.
That's what I like. A lot of time, like boom, 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 boom.
The grand finale.
Yeah.
Oh.
I'm taking pictures too. That's crazy.
I can see it. I know, honey. I don't know.
I think over there that where the flag is.
I don't think so.
I don't think they're here anymore.
Maybe not. Oh, here we go.
Nah, that was something. No.
Come on, shoot the high altitude ones up, dog.
Shoot the higher one. Come on, I like these, but there's a big mountain. Come on.
The fucking the I hope these pictures are even coming out right.
I like it. Why is there so much smoke?
From the fireworks, honey.
Fail. We're downwind. That sucks. That sucks. Shit. We're downwind from the fucking.
I don't understand why it's so smoky. It never is like this.
We're downwind from
I'm
it.
always here. I stand here all the time. You can't even see the fireworks.
Well, it's like watching fireworks in Baghdad. Why are we near foreigners? How that happen? I'm moving away from those people. I don't do people. Okay, here's fine. They're just too close to my personal motherfucking space. Oh man, I was chilling in that spot though. Damn, I wish I got that.
That was really funny.
That was fucking awesome.
That was fucking
I really
great.
wish I got that. Well, my shit's jacked all the way up so I can get... This is horrible for kids with asthma.
My foot hurts.
Y'all can't see this, but there's like a shitload of fucking smoke out here now. It's like 4th of July in Iraq.
You can't even see the fireworks.
Yeah, my video went from good to shitty. Yo, can y'all aim them a little closer to us so we can see them? Don't start chanting that shit around here. There's a lot of people who aren't USA here. Ooh, ah. I love this. Looks like the fucking place is on fire. Now's the time to start smoking and people got some. I want to say ooh, but maybe. I mean, and it's just gonna get worse at the grand finale. Ooh, ah. Oh, this is some crazy ass smoke though.
It looks like something's literally on fire.
Yeah, because some of the smoke is actually black.
Yeah. It usually never this smoky.
But again, I say we are definitely downwind, so the smoke is gonna have no choice but to blow in this direction. That's it. That's all. Josh. Ooh, I just want to fit in, so I'm going ooh too. Yay.
Is that it? Are we done?
That was weak.
Oh.
I was about to say that was weak as fuck.
I was about to say, are we done?
I'm about to say we just spent like a whole hour in line just staying here, and it was over. I'm mad. I'm so mad I didn't get that dude on camera. That shit was fucking hilarious, yo. Oh, I like your tattoo. It's nice.
Ma, do you know what taco is like?
Yes, honey, I do.
I want that to
Asian chocolate.
Oh, don't time.
Don't die.
We like things that go blow up. Better go. Being racist on camera, that's fucked up. This is not spaz murder. We put it. It's just evil twin. I bet it would be way prettier if it didn't look like Iraq out here. So this is what it's like to live in Gaza Strip. No.
Turn around, baby girl.
No, I can see still.
Oh, okay.
I'm cold.
Well, it's gonna be even colder when we walk. Oh, crying children. Pacify that motherfucker. Put a nipple in his mouth or something. But you gonna bring your kid to fireworks before they cry? Moron.
I remember when Nana was like 8 months old and I took her to the fireworks for the first time. The whole time she sat in my brother Billy's lap and just watched them.
Well, that's good.
Didn't even move. And she was like talking. She was like, oh.
That probably wasn't even meant to do that. It's like killed 8 people. Now y'all can see the smoke and it looks like ISIS showed up. Really, y'all better go harder than this. It's like the whole world is vaping. Good job, babe. That whistle was awesome. Hey, number 83. You want to sidestep to the fucking right, like 5 feet? Oh wait, it's the thugs. The only black people we've seen tonight.
Yeah, right.
Mom, can we move over here a little bit? These people are
Was that it? Y'all premature clapping. I would hate to see y'all in the bedroom.
Here they come.
That's what she said. Oh shit. Are they yoga pants or sweatpants that are just plain for her body?
I don't know what you're talking about.
She's right.
Hey, babe, I can get my
Well, you just asked down yesterday. Bitch was so fat they had to paint pants on her.
Did she at least have an ass?
Hey, where the fuck did all these people come from? Oh, that's not going to work with this bag in my hand. You're going to have to. Thank you. Oh, yeah, the one behind the cloud, that was awesome. You're stupid. There's just stupid people I just called stupid right there, hugging like stupid assholes. I went from watching fireworks to people watching. I don't even know how I did that. Yes, just breathe it in, people. Cancer. It smells great, doesn't it? Next serial killer. $20 is not too long for fireworks, you homo. Somebody who hates America is here. You can blow shit up all day long if you can. Whoa, bitch, you are muffin topping. Worse than a muffin. Damn. There's a lot of fucking ugly ass people here.
What
Oh shit, my phone's dying.
You better save that, or it's not gonna save if your phone dies.
It's got at least 14%. Like now you fuckers can get all loud and obnoxious. Woo. America. That's why. Now, what they're not telling you is that after this is over, the cops are going to come and kill us all.
Oh God.
This is how it's going to happen, right here.
No, it's not. That's like 6.
There will be now. Well, one way out.
We're going out that
In a
way.
body bag. It's ISIS. Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Babe, shut up.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!
Shut up!
You're gonna stop telling me to shut up.
Yeah, you are gonna stop telling Dad to shut up.
Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar! Allahu Akbar!